Hi, I am Limon, and in this video I'll show you how to fix a keyboard that types numbers instead of letters. If you are pressing certain letter keys but your keyboard is typing numbers instead, don't worry. This usually happens when the number lock feature is enabled. I will show you how to disable it and get your keyboard working normally again. Let's get started. To fix this, look for a key labeled numlock, numlk or a similar symbol on your keyboard. If your keyboard has a dedicated numlock key, press it once to disable number lock. If your keyboard requires Fn key, press Fn and the number lock key together. On some keyboards, the number lock function may be assigned to the insert key or another key, so the exact key combination can vary depending on your keyboard. Now go back to your text editor and try typing again. You should now see letters instead of numbers. If your keyboard was typing numbers because number lock was enabled, this should fix the problem immediately. And that's it. I hope this quick fix helped you get your keyboard working normally again. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.